In this story, a pigeon showcases intelligence and honesty by returning a pearl it found to its owner, who rewards the bird for its integrity. As the pigeon drops the pearl, the owner feels a deep sense of gratitude, recognizing that true treasure lies not in riches, but in integrity and loyalty. In that moment, the bond between the owner and the pigeon strengthens, showcasing the profound connection built through trust and mutual respect. Sitting on the bench, the owner reflects on the day's events, realizing that the purest connections often come in the simplest forms of honesty and kindness.